Hello and welcome to Lin House. Today, we will explore the detailed construction of a traditional Spanish-style small house, covering everything from the foundation to the roof. This charming 60-square-meter home perfectly blends classic Mediterranean architecture with cozy, functional living spaces. Whether you are an architecture enthusiast or just love beautiful homes, this video is for you. Let's dive in and discover the secrets behind building this delightful home. The construction begins with a solid foundation using reinforced concrete. This ensures the house remains stable even on uneven terrain. Footings are carefully measured to support the weight of the walls and roof. A damp-proof layer is added to prevent moisture from rising into the house. The foundation is left to cure for several weeks to achieve maximum strength. Above the foundation, a concrete floor slab is poured, reinforced with steel rods. This creates a durable and level base for the entire interior. A layer of insulation is often added beneath the slab to maintain indoor comfort. The surface is smoothed and allowed to dry completely. This forms a solid platform ready for interior walls and flooring. The walls are built using clay bricks or natural stone, typical of traditional Spanish architecture. Thick walls provide excellent thermal insulation and keep the interior cool in summer. Mortar is carefully applied to ensure a tight bond between bricks. Openings for windows and doors are framed with reinforced lintels. The walls are then finished with lime plaster for a smooth, elegant surface. Windows and doors are crafted from natural wood, often painted in earthy tones. Wooden shutters are added to control sunlight and provide privacy. Arch-shaped windows are common in Spanish-style homes, adding charm and elegance. Doors are solid and slightly elevated from the floor to prevent moisture damage. Quality materials ensure durability and a timeless aesthetic. The roof is constructed using wooden beams, carefully positioned to support clay tiles. The beams are treated to resist pests and moisture. Roof angles are designed to allow efficient water runoff during rain. Rafters are connected securely to the walls, creating a stable framework. The roof combines both functionality and classic Mediterranean style. Clay tiles are laid in overlapping rows to create the traditional terracotta look. These tiles are not only beautiful but also help regulate indoor temperature. Proper alignment ensures that water drains efficiently and prevents leaks. Ridge tiles are used to finish the roof edges elegantly. The result is a roof that is both sturdy and visually appealing. The exterior walls are coated with lime-based plaster, often painted in warm, earthy colors. Textured finishes are popular to give a rustic, authentic feel. Small decorative elements, such as wrought iron grills or tiles around windows, enhance the charm. This finishing also protects the walls from weathering. The house immediately gains a welcoming and traditional appearance. Inside, walls are smooth and painted in soft, warm tones. Wooden beams may be left exposed on the ceiling for character. The layout is designed to maximize natural light and air circulation. Niches and built-in shelves are often included for functionality. These details contribute to a cozy and inviting interior. Traditional terracotta tiles or ceramic tiles cover the floor, complementing the Spanish style. Floors are leveled and properly grouted for durability. Baseboards are added to protect walls and complete the look. Interior doors and wooden trims are stained or painted to match the overall color scheme. Every detail is chosen to maintain harmony between functionality and beauty. Finally, exterior landscaping is added, such as small gardens or tiled patios. Gutters and downspouts are installed to manage rainwater. Any remaining finishing touches, like decorative tiles, window boxes, or wrought iron details, are completed. The house is inspected to ensure structural integrity and safety. This results in a charming, fully functional 60 square meters Spanish-style home. Thank you for watching this detailed tour of a traditional Spanish-style small house with us at Linh House. We hope this video inspired you and gave you insights into the careful planning and craftsmanship involved. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design ideas and home inspirations. We truly appreciate your support. See you in the next video.